What is up, guys? It's your boy, Kid Mobile 23. Finally back with another video. I'm sorry, guys. I just been really busy baseball, but it's still not an excuse. I'm going to hopefully impress you guys and get some views with this pack opening of I will show you guys the team. I'm a 103 overall now because I have been grinding. We have a lot of crap to open, so let's get into. I forgot one thing. Oh, there we go. Hopefully we can pull a lot of elites. We're guaranteed a lot of elites, but hopefully we can pull some extra ones out of pro packs and boomer bust or whatever it is. But without further ado, let's get into it. Pro pack number 1. Bang. First pack of the day. We're going to pull John Greco. Elite already right off the bat in these pro packs. Here's my second one. Nothing there. We got Marquise Goodwin. And he got a mug shot. Look at Terrell Basham. That mug shot pick right there, man. We got another pro pack. I think we have 2 more after this one. Nothing here. Jonathan Woodard, 70. Well, I'm really happy with the pro pack so far. I already got my elite I needed or I wanted. So, yeah. 74, Tyvon Branch. Well, I'm personally a Broncos fan, and I like who we picked up in the draft so far. So, essentially, we're getting into these boomer bust packs. These could be something really good or just a regular gold player. This time, we're just going to bust there with a gold player. My second and final boomer bust pack. Another gold player. Here we have the All Madden 100 overall pack because we finally hit 100 overall, boys. Wow, so probably there's 4 gold or better, and we still did not pull a single elite. Here we have elite player packs, so we know that we're going to be getting elites here. Bam! A kick returner I do need, but we're just going to be taking the highest overall, whoever it is, and that's going to be 89 Devin McCourty. On to the next one. I think I have like 7 of these. Bam. An 87 kicker. That is... I want to take the kicker, but we do get 90 Tom Brady. So that's who you're taking right there. 90 AJ Boye, 90 Julio Jones, 90 Le'Veon Bell. This is a really good pack. And we're going to take... AJ Boye. We went offense in the last pack. I think we might get another Julio. Here's his oh, we get AJ Boye again. So maybe it was a sign. We're going to take AJ Boye, our second AJ Boye. See what we can get. 86, highest overall right now. Oh, we're going to end up with the 88 Harrison Smith. We have our second to last elite player pack. Patrick DeMarco. 88 overall fullback is who we will be taking. Last elite player pack. Boom. Can we get a nice quick 90 overall? 88 Alex Mack. We will take it. And now for the banger. 106 to 110 overall. Round 1 draft player pack. I kind of want Lamar Jackson, Sony Michel, Rashad Penny, or what's the receivers? Calvin Ridley or DJ Moore. Boom. Lamar Jackson. Let's get it. This is exactly really who we wanted, and we get Lamar Jackson. Let's check out his stats. 107 speed, rightfully so. A nice card. +2 awareness boost to Baltimore. Look at all these elites we got, boys. Dang near 10 elites there. Now let's check out the squad. We have 114 Devontae Adams, the 111 Easter Master Adam Thielen. We got this Saquon Barkley. I'm gonna be coming out with gameplay on Saquon Barkley. We got Quentin Nelson. And then on defense, really made some upgrades here. The Anthony Hitchens. Look at Bradley Chubb looking like a beast. Taven Bryan. We got Jaquiski Tartt out of that Flashbacks promo. Our special team is looking pretty much the same, but like the team is just souped up now. That's gonna be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Kid Mobile 23. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.